In today's episode, I'll be sharing 7 tips to convert job servicing leads into paying customers. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies and tools for building a profitable online business. In today's video, I'll be sharing 7 tips to convert job servicing leads into paying customers. So if you like this type of video, make sure that you are subscribed to me and also click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In job servicing business, the very first step before closing any deals is to get leads. So I get this asked very often, how do I convert my job servicing leads into paying customers? So in today's video, I will be sharing 7 useful tips that I myself use to have a high conversion rate for all my job servicing leads. Here are my 7 tips to convert job servicing leads into paying customers. Tip number 1 is to give attractive offer. Offer discounts, bonuses, limited time offers to help you close the deal. Remember, be creative with your promotion. No one will say no to a good deal. My tip number 2 is to give extra freebies to sweeten the deal. Throw in some extra freebies related to your service that you provide to help push your lead to say yes to you. Tip number 3 is to provide an excellent customer service. Be prompt in your replies and answer all their queries. The level of interest for your prospect drops dramatically after 1 hour, and he or she may have moved on to your competitor. The truth is, customer care starts before any sales is done. Tip number 4 is be a good listener. People buy the person first, then the service. Understand your prospect's needs by paying attention to them so that you can connect and help solve their problem. Always be genuine and friendly. This way you can gain their trust, which will lead to a better sales conversion. Tip number 5 is to offer a variety of choices. This is a great tip that I use all the time, and it helps me to close deals when I offer different types of packages for my customers to choose. This way your prospects are given a clear picture of how you can help them when they can see different services being laid out in front of them. By packaging your services in a way that's clear, concise and attractive, you will secure more sales faster. Tip number 6 is make your buying process as simple as possible. Explain in simple steps the full process on how to get the job done. Details like file transfers, turnaround time, customers' requirements should be all stated clearly on your product page or website. When you keep the buying process hassle-free and simply, you will get sales quickly. Tip number 7 is to offer more payment options. By offering more payment options, you are making it easier for prospects to give you their money. These are the 7 tips that I use for my own job servicing business, and it has helped convert my leads into paying clients. Plus, it also helped me to get more recurring clients as well. I hope that you will implement all my 7 tips to your job servicing business. If you have any questions about job servicing, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next job servicing video. Bye bye!